Okay, we're going to take apart this cobweb-filled galaxy fan. Already got the back cover off. Hope there's no spider in there. But anyway, in case there is a spider in there, the fan don't work, so. If you're in there, spider, I hope you die. So yeah, now everything's covered in WD-40 because there's most likely a spider in there, and I don't want to mess with one of those. So let's hope you guys can see what's going on here. And we're going to finish taking this thing apart. Watch, a spider comes out. Wow. That'd be crazy. All the hits on YouTube now. On this part you can't really see, but we're gonna pull the knob off and maybe this usually works. Of course, it's usually easier with two hands, but I can't really do that and show you. You know what? I'll just pull off and then I'll show you. That's off. Now the handle. Which if it doesn't break. Got it. Okay. So all that's off. And we just gotta get the switch out. Ew. I'm gonna clean all this out. This is awful. Too much cobweb in here. It's ridiculous. Ew. Okay. Now I can get up in here maybe. Watch me get bit by a brown recluse. Pull this stuff out. Okay. Now that's ready to go. This is the part everybody always wants to see. People don't realize how nasty this is. It ain't always rainbows and cupcakes and this kind of stuff. I'll tell you what. Everybody wants to see, how do you take apart a box fan? Well, this is how you do it. Even though this one doesn't work, pretty much is a good example of how to take one apart. It's not that difficult. Just unscrew some screws and you're good to go for the most part. Hope I don't run out of memory because I really don't know how much memory I got on that camera, or that memory card. The only screw that is still silver on this whole fan is this one right here. See? The only silver screw left. All the others are rusty, like this one. That's off. Yummy. Now the part everybody always asks about. How do you get the blade off? Well, I'll show you in a second once I clean it up a little bit. This one was pretty stiff when I got it. It's dead, but you just pull it off like this. And it will eventually pull up and off. It's easier if it isn't crap laying around. You want to lay it down on a flat surface like this one here, and then you want to just wiggle it off, and it'll eventually come off. It may take a little while, like this one for example. And that, my friends, is how you get a blade off a box fan. Found a spider. And there he is. Get out here, buddy. Nobody wants you around anymore. In fact, I don't really want you in my shop, so you're gonna come with me and go outside. Normally, I would just kill the thing, but yeah. Okay, dude, you're gonna have to get out of here. No, get out of there. I don't know where he went. I hope he's out here. In case he's still on there, we're leaving that out here for now. I found our little friend. Yay. Anyway, back to the plot at hand. This thing's probably going to end up being scrapped. Is there really much? Probably going to just keep the switch out of it. Because I know the motor don't work, and to be honest, after that, I do not want to even take the motor apart, really. I'm going to take it out of here. Put it with the scrap motors that I got back there. Hopefully he didn't bite me. I don't need to get whatever on me. Alright. We can remove said frame. And take it away. Alright, now we're done down this. Which looks just freaking lovely. See, this is what happens when you don't take care of your stuff, folks. It looks like that. And you get spiders in it up there. You know, to be fair, I really don't want to mess with this. Let's see if I can pull this plug out. Pull it out. Try this one. I really need to invest in some like picks or something. This is all I've got right now. Sometimes this is just a pain in the ass. Sometimes it's not. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. But basically, that's how you take apart a box fan. And my battery's dying, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.